What is up, y'all? This is your boy D, aka JYVENT, and yes, I am finally back with another daily blessing. It is a beautiful day out here right now, as y'all can obviously see, man. And you really got to be appreciative of nature to really enjoy it. And being locked up made me learn that the hard way. You never know what you miss until it's gone. The main thing that I really was missing mostly when I was locked up is nature. It's secondary for my family. And I really be hoping these videos help somebody, reach somebody, teach somebody, because I know how I feel to need somebody to reach out to you and nobody will. And I want to end my video like this, letting y'all know that y'all are appreciated. I appreciate all the support that y'all have been giving me and been showing me. Without y'all, it wouldn't be me. God bless. I'm out.